Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Amazon Q Developer in VS Code. So opening there, Visual Studio Code, and now here you can see this is the project and this here. So first you need to go on this extension. On this extension there, you need to write there Amazon. Then you can get here Amazon Q. So Amazon Q. So this is going to close. And here you can see Amazon Web Services that's come from here. You need to click on this install. Trust, and this is currently installing. Now this is installing, and if I go in this Google search box here, if I write Amazon Q Developer, then you can get this Amazon Q Developer code generation assistant. So if you go, so if you click here, so this is the new page that's open there. Here you can see Amazon Q Developer Assistant. Now if you scroll down, so this you can use inside JetBrains VS Code, and here, or this is Visual Studio and Eclipse, and here you can use inside this command line also. So this lecture about VS Code. So if I click on this Visual Studio Code, so marketplace that's open there. By clicking those install, you can also install from here. So I'm not going to do this because this is here Amazon Q. Let's click this. So this install. Okay. So this install. Thereafter, what you need to do there. So this is Amazon Q. You need to click this. So this here you need to click and wait for few second times. This is currently running, and now you can see this here updating Amazon Q plugins. Now you can see this here Amazon Q login option that's come there. Here you can use this personal or company. So clicking or select here personal, and now let's click on this continue. So authentication, now let's click on this open website. So AWS Amazon Web Service. So you can use with Amazon account. You can use with Apple or Google. So well, that's so selecting there. And now click on this allow. Request approved. After that, let's here go back, and this you can get there. So now you can ask any question there. So closing this one. So let's ask here simple questions. So first here, let's writing there give code to add two numbers in Python. Press enter. So this is now currently working, and now you can scroll down. From there, you can copy this code. Okay, this is for output. Let's use this. Copy first one, and now pasting there. So Python test.python is the file. Python file is there. Simply save that, and now you have the option to run Python. So now this is running. So enter first number. Let's give 8, 7, 15. That's display. Let's ask a different question. Give, take, toy, program in Python. Press enter. So this I think faster. Okay. So you need to click on this arrow there. Let's scroll up, and here is the option to copy. Use this and paste. So now you can get this code or code in just few seconds of taps. Control S to save. Now let's run this. So here you need to enter 1 to 9 number. Let's give 8, 6, 9, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's give the 7. So X, that's win. After that, you can search any kind of code there or and ask any kind of query this place. So let's search here, give a Python code for school management system. Press enter. So here you can see this is a school management system. Now here let's scroll up. So this is the code is there. Let's click on this arrow. Simply you need to copy this code and now paste this one. Here you can see this is the code. Now Control S to save and let's click on this run. So here you can see add student teacher this you can use there. Let's give one. Let's quickly give there. Triple one name is Sam. Let's give the grade A here. So this added now view a student. Four options are selecting. So let's give there triple one. Okay, this are given there. Okay, marks and grade. So this is how we can install this Amazon Q Developer and use Amazon Q Developer in VS Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.